How much do you spend on AI creative tools every month? Midjourney $30, Runway 35, Sora 20, Krea 15. That's over $100 a month for tools that each do one thing. What if I told you someone just open sourced a single app that replaces all of them? Over 200 AI models, image generation, video generation, lip sync, cinema controls, and visual workflows. No subscription, no content filters. Your data stays on your machine. 6,000 stars on GitHub and growing. This is Open Generative AI, and I'm going to show you everything it can do. The app has 5 studios. Think of each studio as a specialized workspace. Image Studio for generating and editing images. Video Studio for creating videos from text or images. Lip Sync Studio for animating faces with audio. Cinema Studio for professional grade camera and lens controls. And Workflow Studio for building multi-step AI pipelines visually. All 5 share the same interface, the same model library, and the same generation history. You never leave the app. Let me show you each one. Image Studio. Over 100 models in 2 categories. 50 plus text to image models. You type a description, you get an image. Flux, Nano Banana 2, Sea Dream 5.0, GPT 4.0, and dozens more. 55 plus image to image models. You upload an image and transform it. Style transfer, upscaling, editing, background removal. The killer feature, multi-image input. You can feed up to 14 reference images to compatible models. That means you can show the AI exactly what style, composition, and elements you want. Not just describe it, show it. Video Studio, 100 models for video, 40 text to video. Describe a scene and get a video. Kling V3 Sora 2, Veo 3, One 2.6, Dance 2.0, 60 image to video. Upload a still image and bring it to life. Kling Veo Runway Midjourney image to video. Every model that matters is here. The same models you'd pay $30 to $50 a month to access individually through Runway or Pika or Kling, all available in one free interface with no watermarks, no credit limits, no waiting in queues. Lip Sync Studio, 9 dedicated models for audio driven face animation. Upload a face image or video, provide audio, and the model animates the lips and expressions to match. Infinite Talk, LTX Lip Sync, Latent Sync, Creatify. This is what content creators pay premium subscriptions for. Talking head videos, avatar animations, dubbed content. Here it's free, uncensored, and you can run it locally. Perfect for YouTube creators, marketers, educators, and anyone who needs a talking face without hiring an actor. Cinema Studio is the feature nobody expected. Professional cinematography, controls built into an AI generation tool, camera selection, lens type, aperture settings, depth of field. You're not just generating an image, you're directing a shot. Think of it as giving the AI a virtual camera rig, wide angle for landscapes, telephoto for portraits, macro for product shots. This is where it stops being a toy and starts being a professional production tool. No other free tool offers this level of cinematic control. Workflow Studio ties everything together. It's a visual pipeline builder. You drag models into a canvas, connect them with arrows, and build multi-step generation workflows. Example: text to image feeds into upscaler feeds into image to video feeds into lip sync. One input, 4 automated steps. Finished video output. You design the pipeline once, then run it on any input. This is what enterprise teams pay thousands for: automated creative pipelines. Here it's a free drag and drop interface. Let's talk about the three things that make this different from every commercial alternative. First, no content filters. Every commercial tool restricts what you can create. Sometimes for good reasons, sometimes frustratingly. This tool is fully uncensored. Your creative decisions are yours. Second, self hosted. Your prompts, your images, your videos, they stay on your machine. Nothing is sent to a third party unless you choose to use their hosted version. Third, MIT licensed. You can modify the code, use it commercially, integrate it into your products. Zero restrictions. Four ways to use it. 1. Browser. Go to moapi.ai slash open generative AI and start generating immediately. No installation. 2. Desktop app. Download the one-click installer for Mac, Windows, or Linux. 3. Self-host for development. Clone the repo. npm install. npm run dev. Requires Node 18 or higher. 4. Production deployment. npm run build. npm run start. The tech stack is Next.js 14, React 18, and Tailwind. If you've built any web app before, you can customize this in an afternoon. Let me put this in perspective. Midjourney, $30 a month, image only, no video, no lip sync, no workflow builder. Runway, $35 a month, video focused, limited image models. Sora, $20 a month, text to video only. Krea, $15 a month, limited models. Total, over $100 a month for 4 separate tools. Open, generative AI, $0. 200 plus models. All 5 studios. Self-hosted, uncensored. The savings are real. The capability is broader. The only thing you give up is a polished consumer UI. And even that is surprisingly good. Who should care about this? Content creators. Stop paying 5 subscriptions for tools that each do one thing. Marketers. Generate ad creatives, social assets, and product videos in one workflow. Developers. Build AI powered creative features into your apps using MIT licensed code. Startups. Prototype visual products without burning budget on API credits. Students and educators. Learn AI generation with every major model available for free. And anyone who's tired of hitting content filters when trying to create something legitimate. Comment Cinema, and I'll send you the complete setup guide with model comparisons and the best workflow templates. Both my Claude Code and Codex guides are in the description, the playbooks behind everything I build on this channel. Subscribe for more open source tools that replace your subscriptions. See you in the next one.